Hi, Dan. So you could easily use Flickr or PhotoBucket and just make a separate account for it. That might be the easiest one. I think that was a good idea that you had. Um, so it would just be designated, maybe make a new email that you don't really use to make the account, and then you would get the Flickr login and everybody could load their stuff up. Another thing that I like to use is the Google Photo option. And so for that, you just go into you would make a new Gmail account. That would be the best thing to do. So just a one that you're not going to use for your personal stuff. I did this with my students and it worked out really well. So I make a Gmail account, and then if you go up to the top where it says more, you'll want to find where it says photos. It might be in a different spot on your computer. And then after that, you'll get to a page that looks like this, and you can see it says upload photos on the right hand side. And from there, you can either drag or browse for your photos, and you can batch load. It takes a little while because they're probably good quality pictures, but that's good. And that's it. And then whenever anybody wants to look, they can log into that account and just go to photos, and then they can grab whichever ones they want. And that is how I did it with my kids, but your Flickr idea was good too. Hope this helps.